Hey everybody, welcome to Burke Bunch Moments. We are here in Ottawa, the nation's capital. We are taking a look at the flooding that's going on here because it's been raining like crazy all spring and the river couldn't take it anymore. So we're taking a look. What you see behind me is a road to get to the island. Wow. Little garter, baby garter snake. All the animals are enjoying the water, but not the humans, and not the turtles. I think this is somebody's driveway.
Mike, you leave that open now. Why? It doesn't even do anything. Not.
Wouldn't want to be the people living in that house. Woo. So the water was right up to here, and now it's there. So it's gone down a little bit.
Hey, look over there. Let's walk.
It's the path. I think it's kind of underwater.
Never mind.
Used to be an island out there. They had to cancel the ferries here because the cars can't get on the ferry.
What if I'm not over it? What is that? Oh, it's a drain.
Oh, it's a drain? Oh my goodness. I don't think the drain's working, Liam. Over there, Logan, you drive on and get on the boat.
But where's the boat?
On the other side. Can you see them all over there?
No. Somebody went fishing!
All these rocks were to stop the water so they could still run the ferry. I'd say they lost that battle. Well, there you go, folks. Waterfront property's great, except every 50 to 100 years. And then you get this. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all under Burke Bunch TV. And stay tuned for more great Burke Bunch moments, hopefully when the water is a little bit lower.